Good morning, trading world. Today is May 6, 2020, and this is the pre-market outlook. Going to get straight to it on the NQ today. Zones look really crazy, but you expect the kind of crazy day, not as far as uh, bursts, but just as far as direction to be all over the place. Don't really know how to explain it, but we'll get into the support and resistance. I guess I can go ahead and start with the resistance levels on the NQ resistance reaction zones, and they don't want to show up. Here we go. All right. And the first level on the NQ, the jack resistance level is going to be 89.75. And as you can see, we are well above that. The queen level is going to be 9,002. That's the queen resistance level. And the king resistance reaction level is 9,011. Pertinent areas in between. We're going to start all the way down here with 89.89. That's going to be the first in between or minor reaction level, 89.89. The next one is going to be 9,055, which is way up here. 9,055, right about there. And then we even go way out above that to 91.44 is where the last level is. I know that is, it makes the zones look very crazy this morning. And believe it or not, everything that I have this morning as far as intraday is very bullish. So that means during today's trade, I will be looking for bullish trades. So what it seems like to me, we're going to come in at the opening and have a pullback at the opening. And at that pullback, hopefully it gives me a chance to find somewhere to enter long on that pullback. So that's what I'm looking for. Now, as far as support reaction levels, let's tighten it up so we can get them all in here. The first level is going to be 89.42. That's the jack support level. And then we have the queen support level at 88.83 and king support level at 88.76. Zones are very bunched and squinched up. That means we have a very tight range that we have a couple of tight ranges intraday that could possibly be blown up and then chop in between and then blow up again for a nice little pop and then choppy again. Levels in between. Support levels on the reaction side. The first one that I have is going to be 88.68, which is all the way down here. 88.68. The next level, I have to really tighten it up, is going to be 88.27, which is all the way down here. And then the next one is 88.10, which is all the way down here. I know it doesn't make sense now because I just have the jack, queen, king levels up here. But I've started doing this lately. The intraday chart, these are very important levels, and the bigger they are, the more important they are. So we're going to be in this range. Might get kind of choppy, but we look for a pullback maybe down to here um, for support, and hopefully that holds. We might get a hold of that for this morning and pop up and make another high or newer high for the day. And then I expect to get a pop down at some point. It may be a decent size pop down. So at this stage in the game, you never know. You just have to be very careful. Make sure your risks are defined. And that pretty much sums up what's what I'm looking for today as far as the NQ. In the overall markets, I think we're stuck between a couple of levels. I didn't look or hadn't looked at the ES just yet, running a little behind, but it's been the same story for the last couple of weeks. We're stuck pretty much in a choppy zone, and we're going to bounce back and forth. It's pretty much a big, big, big short squeeze. So that is what you have to be careful of, because we're going to get these fakes and pumps where it's like the level is going to break at the bottom and we're going to go and then we're going to turn around. I have no idea how many times we are going to do that, but when we get down there at those areas, there are metrics that I'll be looking at that'll kind of tell me. And the main thing is volume. We haven't had serious volume in quite some time. And each time we have gotten down to the lower parts of this zone, there hasn't been enough volume to make me take it serious. So once um, we see that level of volume kicking off, then we'll think about possibly taking that break at the bottom serious. But otherwise, we're stuck in this choppy zone, which seems like maybe a while, unless some type of news hits. But that is the pre-market outlook. Again, be safe, be very careful, make sure your risks are defined, and wishing you profitable trading. Have a great day.